Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 16th of March 2021 question. It's a memory based question. Question number 17. If three number A, B, C are related with equation B is equal to A plus C and D is standard deviation of A plus B, B plus 2, A plus 2, B plus 2, comma C plus D, then four options are given. So it's a question. This question is in the house of mean median. So at first standard deviation D is given, D, and condition is given here, that is A, B is equal to A plus C. So let's start. We know variance of any xi is equal to d square, and similarly variance of xi plus alpha, that is also d square, and variance of three numbers, that is a comma b comma c, so that is equal to d square. And we know from definition d square is equal to summation xi square by n minus summation xi divide n whole square. So we know that is equal to a square plus b square plus c square, and n is equal to 3, and here we get 4d square divide 9. So calculating, replace this, d is equal to a plus b plus c, so that is equal to a plus b, a square plus b square plus c square divide 3 minus a plus b plus c whole square by 3. So here we get 9, that implies 9d square is equal to thrice a square plus b square plus c square minus 4 that is b square. After calculation we get this. So 9d square is equal to 3 into a square plus c square minus of b square. That implies b square is equal to thrice a square plus c square minus 9d square. So we reached, this is our required condition, and our option is, so this is our solution, and our option is option 1 is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 17. Now moving to question 18. This question 18. So question 18 is in the house of limit. Limit x tend to 0, a into e to the power x minus b cos x plus c e to the power minus x divide x sin x. Limit is x tend to 0, that is equal to 2 given. So a plus b plus c is equal to what? So it's also a memory based question, and the question is JEE Main Shift 1 16th of March 2021. So at first, limit x tend to 0, a into e to the power x minus b into cos of x plus c into e to the power minus x by x sin x is equal to 2. It is given here. So so calculating this one, limit, that implies limit x tend to 0, numerator unchanged, a into e to the power x minus b into cos of x plus c into e to the power minus x, and taking x square into sin x by x, that is equal to 2. Making this form, So here we put limit x tend to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. So now putting the values of e to the power x. So a into e to the power x is equal to 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus dot 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 minus b into cos x is equal to 1 minus x square by factorial 2 plus x to the power 4 by factorial 4 plus that is equal to dot dot dot, and here we get c is equal c into e to the power minus x is equal to 1 minus x plus x square by factorial 2 1 minus and plus is repeating here, and the series is remain unchanged. So here we get minus dot dot dot. So that is, and dividing denominator is equal to x squared, that it is equal to 1. So this is equal to also 2. So now limit limit x tend to 0. So the constant term a minus b plus c and plus taking x common, say it is a minus c plus x square by 2 common a plus b plus c plus x cube common some terms, and it is x to the power 4. So it is, and here x square. So that is equal to 2. So now if the limit exists, if limit exists then it must be 0 and it must be 0, and if it is x square is cancelled off and x, so everything becomes 0, and as x tend to 0, so this and this become 0 must be. So a minus b plus c, that is equal to 0. It is our one equation, and a minus c is equal to 0 if the limit exists. So putting these two, 1 is 0, here we get limit x tend to 0. So it is x square and x square is cancelled off, so it is a plus b plus c by 2 is equal to 2, as it is when we cancelled x square with x cube. So here we get x and it is 0. These two are the zeros. So a plus b plus c is equal to, we get 4. So this is our required answer. So these are the two solutions of question 17 and 18. So any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.